This is Marie from Underground Crafter, and I am going to be unboxing my Cricut EasyPress 2. If you're not familiar with a Cricut EasyPress 1, you probably have no idea what this is, but this is basically a heat press that you can use for iron-on. You can also use it for anything else you would press, like sewing. So I'm going to open this up. This is a beta unit, by the way, so I actually had to wait to post this video. This is actually before the product itself was released, and so this kind of may look a little bit different in the version that you get. As always with Cricut, it comes with a booklet that explains to you how to use it and all of that good stuff so that you can actually figure out what to do right outside of the box. Mine has this sticker. Like I said, it's a prototype, the version I got. Or not a prototype, but it's not quite what might be available in stores. Okay, so it's nice and safely packaged, as everything always is with Cricut. And it has its own bag, which I love. Makes it portable. Also makes it easier not to get too dusty. And you can see that it has a 3-pronged cord. For safety reasons, obviously. Are you excited? I am. You know why I'm really excited? Wait till you see the color. Ta-da! Okay, so all the old ones were blue, but now you can also get one in different colors. Mine is sort of a salmon pink. And let me unwrap it a little bit more out of the plastic. I'm going to take off this base, which is to protect surfaces, and I'm going to take the plastic off of the EasyPress. So the difference between EasyPress 1 and 2, there's a couple of differences, but one of the main differences is that the 2 is available in several sizes, whereas the 1 was only available in this size. So of course, like I said, mine is a beta unit, so I'm going to pull the sticker off. Yours won't come with a sticker that says beta unit. Okay, I'm back. I finally got the sticker off the front of my EasyPress. So what I want to mention that I hadn't realized when I opened the box is that actually this is the iron-on for your first project. So like I said, Cricut likes to include everything you need in the box. So this has the EasyPress, and basically, as you can see, I'll be doing a tutorial with it soon, but you can see that you can set the temperature and the amount of time up and down. You can turn it on and then go with the Cricut button, just like your machine. It comes with this base here, and so that's where you can place it when it's not in use, so you're not going to damage the base of the EasyPress itself. You can also get this mat. So this is a mat, like kind of like a portable ironing board, right? And it tells you which side goes down. So what you would do when you're actually working with the EasyPress, and I'll, like I said, in a future tutorial, I'll show that, you would put this mat down first, set your EasyPress, put your project on the mat, and then basically all you have to do is press it on there for the amount of time, and your iron-on is done, your ironing is done. So anyway, I look forward to sharing a project with you soon. This is what's in the box. The EasyPress 2 comes in more sizes and colors, so this is just one of the sizes and colors, and I'll have a link so you can find out more below. Have a wonderful day.